We chose Allen Edwin Homes because, well, I think it was a combination of the customer service, which was top-notch, and the price points were well within our budget. So the combination of affordability and the top-notch customer service was, yeah, made it a no-brainer.
I ended up choosing Allen Edwin Homes because on my journey, searching for a existing home, my daughter had owned an Allen Edwin home and I loved them, but I didn't realize it was in my price range. And as I was searching for homes, I found that, yeah, it was in my price range and I could afford a brand new home and pick out everything I wanted in the home and not have to worry about a roof in a couple years or a furnace in a couple years. So it was a no-brainer.
The experience was so good. I came back a second time and then I built with them, and so it was really wonderful. So the favorite part about my new home is the great room. It's a really big space. It's tall ceilings, lots of space for family and friends. And one of the things I really enjoy about just living in that space right now is to see my children using it, enjoying it. And it gives me, really good satisfaction and excitement that I made a good decision in selecting that particular floor plan.
When I started the process of buying the home, I felt so comfortable with the professionalism, but also the warmth and kindness that I got from Tom Vlecka with Allen Edwin and my real estate agent, Rick Krepis, with Jayquay Realty. They explained everything. They told me about all the advantages that were possible that comes with the warranty, the 1-year warranty. It just made me feel very secure and comfortable, especially since I was buying it from over 2,000 miles away.
My favorite part about my experience with Allen Edwin was that everybody was just very helpful, a lot of information, never pushy. I kind of thought coming in the first time it would be like, hurry up, choose, buy, and that's not at all what I felt. I felt reassured, we're not here to rush you, and everything just fell into place really smoothly.
Our favorite part about our home that we both decided on was our kitchen. We just kind of went all in on that one, and we just fell in love with it. And every day I walk down the stairs and it's just like, oh yeah, I love waking up to this and seeing how our dreams come into fruition.
Our favorite part of our new community is its accessibility to highways, restaurants, grocery stores. We are far away out of the city where you don't hear all the busyness. It's very peaceful and quiet, but you're still close enough that everything's just 10 or 15 minutes away.
If I knew other people looking for a home, I absolutely would recommend Allen Edwin. The people that you work with are kind, they're considerate, they are quick to respond, the homes are beautiful, and the experience is wonderful.